Hello, good morning dear children. Today we have to start our new lesson. Before this lesson, I told the different types of plants, animals, birds about them. Roots are very useful to the plant. Now today we have to start a new lesson. The name of flowers color. How many colors of flower, children? There are only one or two color? No, there are so many colors of flowers and with a good fragrance, different fragrance. So here is one story. I will teach you. Listen carefully, children. Open page number 34 of your EVS books, lesson number 5, flowers, colors. So on a lovely morning, many girls in the school had plaited their hair and wore jasmine flowers on their plates. So in a school, one classroom is there like us, and there are so many children. So girls and boys are mixed in our class. Their class also. Some girls, what they done? They plaited their hairs and wore a jasmine flowers. So teacher said, "Oh, there is a good fragrance in this room. Jasmine flowers have a good fragrance." So what teacher said? "Oh, today is a very good fragrance are coming from our class." So Hasina said, "Sir, some girls have jasmine flowers in their plates." Hasina said, "Teacher, some girls are plaited a jasmine flower in their hair plates. So fragrance is good." Vijaya said, "Yes, now it is the less season of jasmine flower, isn't it?" Which is the jasmine flower season? Summer season is a jasmine flower season. So that time they get say jasmine flower easily. Teacher said, "In summer there is a jasmine, in rainy season there is a dahlia, and in winter season there is a chrysanthemum." Chrysanthemum means malgay flowers, mogra. Chrysanthemum is a flower name. Thus, there are the different flowers in different seasons. Yes, children, there are 3-4 seasons: summer, winter, rainy, and autumn season. In that 4 seasons, the different flowers are. Fruits are also in a different season wise we get a fruit. So the flowers are also same in a different 4 seasons we get. So here one activity they are given: make a list of flowers available in your locality. In which season are they available? Why do people use them? Collect information about this and write the names. Name of flower, which type of is this? It is a creeper, plant, blush or tree. Season of available and use. In which season it gets? If it is summer, rainy, winter, write down here and use. For what purpose you are using that flower? Write down. Page number 35. Collect the flowers that are available in your locality. Observe them carefully and write the characteristics in this table. In your locality there are different types of flowers with a different colors with a good fragrance also. So if suppose you are taken a rose flower, their color, name of flower is a rose. Suppose name of flower is a rose, then which type of color is this? Rose have a red color rose. Shape, which shape? It is a small shape, big shape. You have to write here shape. Number of petals. Remove the 111 petals of that flower and count the petals. How many petals are there? You have to write here. And fragrance. If it is yes, make it write here yes, or no, write down no. If rose flower, it have a fragrance, so write here yes. If shoe flower, hibiscus flower you are taken, then there is a no fragrance. You have to write the color of red, pink, so many colors are also shoe flower. Shapes, how many, which shape is it, middle or small or big, write down the shapes. Petals, 5 to 6 petals are there. Fragrances, no, write down the different 4 flowers. Teacher said, "Let's go to the nearby garden and get introduced a variety of a flower, but nobody should pick flower." What that time teacher told to that student, "Let's go to a nearby garden." Have you gone garden, children? You seen the different types of flowers are there and they are writing a board. Don't pick the flower, don't split in gardens. Okay, such type of rules. So that teacher is already told to that children, let's go a garden and don't pick the flowers. Here they are written a board in a garden, don't pick a flower. Hasina said, oh, so many colors, blossoms. The garden looks very beautiful. There is also signboard, don't pick flower. You should also remember that children, while you are going in a garden, there are some flowers, then keep mind, don't pick that flowers. Teacher said, yes, follow this instruction. You also, while you are going in library, railway station, bus station, there are written some boards, signboards are there. You should have to follow that instructions, what that government rules are there. So you should have to follow that instructions. You also practice to grow flowers near to your home and school. You also, now you are in home, so try to plant one plant. Nagraj said, look, there are flowers even in a pond also. Some lily, water lily, lotus, they are living in a water. Children, teacher said, children name 3 flowers that grow in a water. That is I told now. Water, lily, lotus, all these are the water plant. Next one, here is some rhyme is here. Florist means florist is a seller, flower seller. Her rhyme is here. Try to read that in your home. Next on page 37. Do you use flowers, children? Yes, you are using a flowers. Do your family members use flowers? Yes, in our family we are also using a flowers. Do you grow or buy flowers used at home? You are buying or growing flowers. Sometimes you are buying by market, and that sometimes if you have a place to plant the flower plant, then you can do that. Girija said, Shahina's father has a flower seller, flower stall. Sorry, Girija said, whose father? Shahina's father have a flower stall. Vanuja said, Shahina, from where you get flowers? Vanuja is asking question to Shahina. From where you are bringing all that type of flowers, Shahina? Then Shahina said, my father buys flowers from the market. All of us at home string them. Shahina's father buying the all flowers by market, and he is making a string from a home only. Teacher said, Shahina, what is the price of jasmine flower per kg? What is the flower of jasmine? Teacher is asking to Shahina. Why? Because Shahina's father has a flower seller. He have a flower stall and is bringing daily flowers by market. So he know the rates, and she also know rates. So teacher is asking the per kg jasmine flower rate. How do you sell it after using a string? Then Shahina is telling the price. Today's price of jasmine flower is 250 per kg. How much it is? 250 per kg, and they sell 10 rupees per cubit length. 1 cubit length means from our hand, this finger to up to our elbow. This is a per cubit length. This is a per cubit length. String flower are getting a per 10 rupees per cubit length. Children, next one. Teacher is asking, do you know the cubit length and yard? What is a cubit length? Teacher is asking. Fatima said, yes children, 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. How it is children? 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. Keep it in mind children, 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. Teacher said, these are units of informal measurement. Use this measurement in this useful to people use string flowers, sellers and buyers of flower. These are related to flowers, so it is important to flower sellers only. Do it yourself. They are given here 2 examples. If the cost of 1 kg of jasmine is 250, how much will be the cost of 5 kg? How you will solve children? 250 per kg. Okay. Next 5 kg we want. What will you do? You have to do 250 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. That answer will be 1250. You know, in maths, multiplications are there. So, try to solve these two examples. This is a do it activity. I am written here one example. So, try to solve a second one also. Next one, teacher said, plant the saplings of flower plant in the yard of your house or grow them in a pots. Practice to use flowers. Plant a saplings of flower and uses of flowers. So, for what purpose we are using a flower, children? Offering to God. Yes, we are using some flowers to offering a God. Some flowers are growing in our hairs. Some of use for decoration to our house in a festival seasons. We are using a flower decorations to our house. Vanuja said, some flowers are used also to make a perfumes. We are using a different types of flower fragrance. Vanuja said, sir, Hasina's dress has a design of so many flowers on it. Here is a Hasina and on her dress there are the flowers designs are also there. Teacher said, yes, you can see the designs of flowers on different themes. Flowers inspires the painters. Flowers designs are so many types, different types of whose are painters. They are using a different flowers designs, making a different designs. Observe things around you which have a find a flowers designs. So here one activity, children, you have to make some different flowers by using paper. You get ideas while you are now watching a mobile. So there are craft. In that craft there are different types of, by using papers they are making a different flowers. And one pot, on that pot you can make a flower design. While you are drawing pictures, draw different types of flowers and color the different colors. Okay. So in that way today we have finished our flower lesson. Color the flowers. Flower color. Read this lesson in your home, children. We have finished today's class. We will see in our next class. Thank you.